Good morning. It is our second day at the Hotel Palacio Albacete, and today I want to share with you the hotel overview. Yesterday was the first day. I did the check-in almost at 3 p.m. because it is when we arrived to this hotel. I did the check-in and I didn't even check the room. We went straight to La Roda to leave Damien with his teammates. And we came back almost at 12 a.m. I took several videos that I will share here. The hotel is located outside of Albacete. It is not in the city center, but it has a perfect location for us because from here we are going straight to La Roda and it takes us about 20 minutes. It is a pleasant ride because you just have to go straight, no curves, no any specific roads that you can get lost. It is very convenient for us. The hotel it is clearly seen that it is prepared for congresses, different fairs, and to receive groups of people. You have a huge location for parking slots around the hotel. There is nothing close by. If you want to go to the city center, you have to go on your car. The check-in process went smooth. We arrived around 3 p.m. and it is a perfect time to do the check-in, so you don't have to wait a lot of time. The hotel is big enough, but at this time there was no people waiting for the check-in process, so it was super quick. It took me like 10 minutes to do it. We came back to the room, as I mentioned, by 12 a.m. Our fare includes the breakfast, so part of the room we have also breakfast included. The breakfast time from Monday to Saturday it is from 7:30 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. So we woke up at 9 a.m. to get on time to the breakfast. At 9:30 p.m. we were at the breakfast. The space itself, the restaurant is huge. It has space to receive a lot of people, but we're only, I would say, 5-6 people just taking our breakfast. It can be that we came late enough, or it can be that the hotel doesn't have full occupancy during this period because it is July, and I suppose that there are no congresses or fairs coming along. It has a combination of warm and cold dishes. As well, there is a variety of fruits to take and pastries to eat. So we had full breakfast earlier today in the morning. I will share several videos here on this explanation.
Aceite. ¿Hay distintos aceites o solo?
Extra, no es el mismo.
Mamá te prepara un café.
Un poco más tarde, ¿no?
A mí sí.
Vale, pues a mí también.
Ok.
Con azúcar, ¿eh?
Ok.
Con leche.
Su chef.
Bon appetit. Let's talk about the amenities that has this room. So here we have a desk and a chair to work. It is a big desk. It is prepared for people who want to work. Meanwhile, they are having their free time. As well, apart from this, there is a TV, an air conditioner, and as well a phone and a minibar. The minibar includes different beverages, but those have an extra cost that you will have to check for the price. Apart from this, there is a la carte that you can take some beverages, food if you want to have the room service, and the prices for everything that you want to take. In my background, you can see the huge mirror. I like it. And behind this mirror, there is a storage where you can leave your belongings. I usually don't leave our clothes in this storage because I just am afraid to not to leave any of our things over here. Apart from this, there is a safe that you can leave your documents if you want to have your documents or price your belongings in the storage in this safe. Let's move on to the bathroom. The bathroom is big enough, you have plenty of space, you have a huge shower bath, and as well you have a huge sink for yourself to leave there your things. What I liked about this bathroom is that there is a huge mirror that you can watch, and there is also a makeup mirror that you can get a closer look of when you're doing your makeup. Within the amenities, there is a dental kit, there is a soap, shampoo and shower gel, and as well a hair dryer. It looks very clean and new. Within the services that the hotel offers, there is a spa. The spa is 20 euros per person for 90 minutes. As well, I have seen that during this August, the spa will be closed for refurbishments. Apart from this, the hotel has parking slots. As I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of parking slots around the hotel because the hotel is prepared for fairs and congresses, but also there is like space just in front of the hotel to park your car. The parking slots are free of charge if you are leaving your car outside, but there is also a parking inside of the hotel. It is 6 euros per night. The prices are for 2025, so if you are watching this video later on, then I think that the prices can be different. So check out this information at the hotel page. Last day in La Roda. We are in Albacete now. We charged the car and we are going to La Roda to see the last game of Damien and his team. About the hotel. And because we just did the checkout, we can share some more thoughts. So the cleanliness, we really loved how clean was this hotel. Every day that when we came back to the hotel from the game, the room was so clean as it was like for the first time entering it. I don't know if they were changing the sheets inclusively because everything looked really clean. Very nice. We really loved this point of view. About the breakfast, it is a good breakfast, but every day it was the same thing. So if you are staying like us 4 nights, it is slightly you just get used with everything and
you get tired.
You get tired.
to eat every breakfast, the same breakfast every day.
Even Mark told us this morning that he don't want to eat anything because his diet of all the food that is there. So if you're staying 1-2 nights, then it is okay, but if you're staying longer, like 3-4 nights, it is getting boring. And overall experience, the staff is very pleasant, very friendly, are really helping every time you ask them something. Very good overall experience with the staff. And that's it. I think that's about the hotel. That's it. So now I will share the thoughts about the tournament. I hope you enjoyed this hotel overview. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to our channel, and to comment if you have any questions around. We would really appreciate your likes, your comments, and subscriptions. Thank you for watching, and till the next time. Bye!